started with Jax Ludwig. Love that name, my man. Jax is turning 11 and a very happy birthday in Edna.
All right, and we've got Blake BROKOB turning 13 years old this year. Nice picture there of Blake in Girard.
Got to run to the knack because the Lovell twins are celebrating their 19th birthday. My goodness. Anna and Ashley want you two you two young women, now that you're 19, you two young women to have a wonderful birthday.
Billy Malvin turning 19 years old as well. Happy birthday to Billy, celebrating out in Reeds, Missouri.
Now we're on to our 20s. And there we go, Bryce Davis. There we go. Nice catch, my man. Bryce celebrating number 20 at a strip pit somewhere outside of Columbus, but he will not tell you where he caught that.
That's right. All right, in Pittsburgh, turning 29, it's time to celebrate for EMILEE Porter.
That's a cool picture with the sun coming in like that.
Chilling with the shades.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. I like that. Dusty Schlichting celebrating the magical number 30. And Dusty, these birthday wishes come with love from the family as well as Dad and Elaine.
All right, and KAITLYN WIXON turning 32 years old this year. Happy birthday to KAITLYN out in Baxter Springs.
We've got a magical number 40 on our hands for Tiffany Ribbon. Tiffany, a very happy birthday in Chanute with love from the entire family.
All right, and happy birthday from the family going to Chad Irwin in Carthage. Chad is now 43 years old.
Well, I'll tell you who else gets birthday love from the entire family. It is that gentleman right there, Randy Black, as he celebrates his 51st. Randy, also in Carthage. A very happy birthday, Randy.
All right, looking good there, Randy. Kathy CLAFLIN-ASHWORTH celebrating the big 6-0 this year. Happy birthday to Kathy in Sheldon, Missouri.
Do you see what Kathy just gave us right there? You know what that means? We just ran a 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60.
Oh, wow.
Or 51. We're going to give Randy credit. Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Mike TUBAUGH, our good friend Mike TUBAUGH. Oh, man, he's still running around with the little ones, isn't he? Mike, a very happy 63rd birthday. He's in Jasper.
All right. And if you see him out and about, wish him a happy birthday. Steve SISNEY, 69 years old this year in Fort Scott.
So what if there's some poor kid in Fort Scott, excuse me, some very fortunate kid, if you're that good looking and whatnot, who looks like that right now, and you're on your way, you know, to Fort Scott Junior High, and everybody's like, happy birthday, Steve, and you're like, what in the world are they talking? Why is everybody saying happy birthday?
I love the throwback pic.
Find the adult version of Steve SISNEY and wish him a happy birthday. That's great. Barbara RIBBECK, she is celebrating her 77th birthday. What a marvelous picture right there. And Barbara, this comes with love from Tiffany, KAITLYN, Megan, Raylan, Athena, and Sophia. My goodness, that's a family full of love right there. Miss Barbara's in Chanute.
All right, in Columbus, Jacob Bowles is celebrating a birthday. Time to party there for Jacob. Happy birthday.
And a very happy birthday to Angie Appleby. Angie, have a great day.
Mark and Crystal Johnson in La Russell are celebrating 9 years together. Congratulations to the Johnsons in La Russell. Happy anniversary.
And who that is? That's our own Jake TACKEBERRY. He is one of our marvelous Nightside producers. While you don't see him on air, what you don't know is he's the one that brings you the news each and every night. Jake, a very happy birthday to you.
And occasionally, and I know, a little birdie told me that we might be hearing his voice a couple times this week as well.
Well, he did a great job with that Pittsburgh Purple Lights story. I haven't seen him to tell him that, but I thoroughly enjoyed that. He did a great job with that.
Stay tuned for some upcoming Toy Box pieces.
Cool. Clara Whelan celebrating her 87th birthday. And Clara, happy birthday wishes from your daughter Linda as Clara celebrates in St. Paul. Jerry Blyle. Jerry used to live in Miami, and so we want to wish her a happy birthday. Christy York, have a marvelous birthday in Lawton. And Chloe Sharts is celebrating her 12th birthday. Miss Chloe, have a wonderful day in Pittsburgh. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Christmas is